Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on Joycon Joystick replacement, 4-pack, Switch analog stick parts for Nintendo Switch Joy-Con, controller repair kit include 4 thumb 3D sticks, 2 metal buckles, 2 screwdriver, pry tools, 6 thumbstick grips. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Anthem B Joy-Con replacement kit can be used to disassemble and assemble game consoles and controllers. Works for the Nintendo Switch left-right Joycon joysticks, can repair wore, out of control, insensitive and drift analog joystick, exactly the same as the original one. Metal latch buckle is sturdy and durable. You can replace the damaged original plastic buckle to reduce the frequency of replacement and replacement costs. The metal buckle secures the metal rail to the controller and does not slip off when using the controller. The magnetic screwdriver has a non-slip handle for easy grip. The drill bit is made of high-quality stainless steel with high strength and toughness, so you can easily repair the Joycon joystick without damaging. Weak magnetic adsorption screws to avoid screw loss. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.